Welcome, you're tuned into Times Now and I am Poonam Burde. Lots lined up for you on this edition, but let's get you started with some breaking news coming in. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has now summoned the Managing Director and CEO of Infosys. Salil Parkar has reached the Finance Ministry to meet Nirmala Sitharaman. This is over the glitches that have been found on the e-filing of income tax website. Nirmala Sitharaman was asked several questions as to why even after over 2 months since the launch of the new portal, there are still glitches in that and why many have not been able to e-file their income tax returns, which is why now the Infosys CEO has been summoned to do some answering. Hina Gambhir is with me for more on this. Yes, Hina.
Well, this is a very, very serious issue because it's like an announcement that we got yesterday from Ministry of Finance that the Infosys CEO Salil Parekh has been summoned by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman at 2 p.m. to explain persisting glitches in the online tax portal. Now, why it is important? Because, these technical glitches have been continuing since many months. Even 2 months after its launch, we are continuously seeing people who are trying to file their ITR not being able to do because of the technical glitches. Recently, government sources had also told us that on a weekly basis, in fact, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman was taking review from the officials at Infosys as to what is really happening in this matter. Probably the response so far was unsatisfactory, and that's the reason why the MD and CEO himself was summoned by the Finance Minister. As we speak, the meeting is going on. It's a one-on-one meeting. That's what we are learning between the Finance Minister and Salil Parekh over this particular issue. Now, this issue is very, very important because, on Saturday earlier, the company had said that the portal was currently inaccessible due to planned maintenance. Yesterday, it cited emergency maintenance until about 9 p.m. when it announced that the portal was up and running. So these kind of issues have been coming and since the beginning, and that's the reason why the Ministry of Finance has now taken it very, very seriously. We'll have to see what eventually happens after the meeting. We are waiting for Mr. Parekh to come out and tell us what kind of assurance has now been given, whether the ministry is going to give Infosys now a timeline to ensure these glitches are fixed as soon as possible.
Right, do keep a track of what comes out of that meeting, Hina. For the moment, thank you so much for putting things in perspective.